Alright guys, today I'll show you exactly how to monetize your skill if you need money urgently, you need money desperately, you need money quickly, like you desperately need a job, you want to pay your school fees, you want to take your child to school, you want to do this or that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's super easy, trust me. And I'm going to also show you the fastest process. So my name is Anointed Cletus and I made over $10,000 so far working as a video editor. And I'm going to show you the same path I'll take if I was starting from scratch again. But before we dive in, make sure you smash the subscribe button if you want to be part of a community of people seeking remote jobs and all of that. All right, let's dive right in. Number one, pick a skill. I'm already assuming you have a skill that you've learned over time already and you're experienced at it. Ideally, the skill should be high demand and high paying skill. I'm going to put a list of skills on the screen right now because I don't want to just mention them off the top of my head so that I'll not miss anyone. Initially, I usually say video editing, graphic design, web design, UI, UX design, but there are many of them, including AI automation. So I'll put some of them on the screen right now. So if you've not yet picked a skill, pick one of them and start learning. So after learning, the second thing you need to do is quickly build a portfolio. Build a portfolio. A portfolio is just proof of concept. It's just showing your clients that, okay, I can do what you want me to do for you, because clients don't care if you have 10 years of experience. All they want to know is that you can actually deliver on the job. They don't care if you're from Nigeria, if you're from Africa, if you're from Kenya. They don't care the country you're from. They only care if you can solve their problems. Either you can save them time or make them more money. That's the only thing they care about. So you need to build proof of concept. And how do you do that? The easiest way to do it is working for free. You can work for your family and friends, or for just somebody. Just look for a business and work for free. For example, you're a web designer. Look for a business and tell them, okay, would you like me to design a website for you for free? And then you give me a testimonial in review, probably a video testimonial or a text testimonial or something. Now we are getting to the meat of the whole video. How do you actually monetize your skill? Wait, let me start by saying that this is not for everybody. This is for people who genuinely want to change their financial future. These are people who genuinely want to make money online. Of course, I'll be mentioning the platform Upwork. So if you hate hearing Upwork, no problem. At this point, you can click off the video. It's fine. But if you really want to make money, I'm going to show you the exact step. And don't worry about Connect. I'm going to explain how to go about it. I'm going to show you that buying Connect is actually a bonus. It's actually going to... Let me tell you something about Connect. Look, when you apply to a job now, Upwork, it's far easier to get the job. It's far easier to land the job because there are way less freelancers applying to those jobs. And how much is Connect? 100 Connect is $15. How much is $15 in Naira? That's like, is it 20K? 20K that you spend in data. You know how much data we use and watch TikTok videos? You know how much? Just save 20K. Buy 15 Connect. Imagine using that 15 Connects now to get a $50 job, a $100 job, a $30 job. Sorry, I say 15 connects, 100 connects, but you bought it for $15. So $15 and you got a $100 job. You make profit and the profit is like $85, and then you can reinvest and then keep the profit. So what am I saying here? It's like I'm just dumbfounded when I see a lot of people say, what of connect, what of connect? Like, it's a bonus. It's a bonus. I have students in my platform that they've complained about Connect, and I've explained this same thing I'm explaining to them now, and they actually took the step of faith and they've gotten jobs. I have people that have gotten jobs in 24 hours, 48 hours, easily. And if you want to get, I can actually help you get a job in 24 hours. It's very easy. Now I'm going to go over the steps. Like I said, number one, pick a high demand and high paying skill. The second one is build a portfolio by working for free. Then the third one is go on Upwork to create a profile. Now, when you go on Upwork, you need to optimize your profile. I have a video where I show you how to optimize your profile, how to rank on Upwork, just in case you don't have Connect to apply to jobs and you want to rank at the top. I'm going to drop the video in the description below. And I also have a free guide that also show you the prompts you can use. It's also in the description below if you're interested in that. It's for free. For this whole free stuff, you guys should click the subscribe button. It really helps the channel give more free stuff like that. So after optimizing your profile, you also need to optimize your portfolio pieces. I have videos on my channel, free videos. I have a whole course, 2 courses safe for free for you guys. Of course, I have a free course and a paid course. And the truth is that the free course is free, but the paid course actually showed all my processes that helped me make over 10 million around Upwork. Like, I documented everything there. So if you really want to shorten the whole process and see the direct and the fastest way possible, I'm going to be dropping a link, a WordDocs link down below. Just click the link if you are interested in getting the course. If you're not interested in getting the course, please don't click the link. It's only for the most interested people that really want results fast, that can click the link. So optimize your profile, optimize your portfolio section, optimize your skills tab section. I have free videos on that can help you do that. Then next, you need to apply to jobs. I recommend applying to anywhere from 5 to 10 jobs. Basically, I've sent over 397 cover letters on Upwork. I've applied to over 397 jobs, and I've landed the jobs that's helped me make over $7,000 on the platform, which is over 10 million naira. But there are about 10 particular cover letter templates that actually help me get jobs repeatedly. Like, anytime I use any of those templates, of course, there are some that work more than some, but ideally, when I use any of them, I usually get more results than the other random ones. So what I did was I packaged the whole 10 of them and I put it in a small product for you guys. If you're interested, it will be in the link in the description below if you're also interested in that one. Just for a little fee, I think around $10 or so if you're interested. I also have a free one for you guys. I have 2 out of the 10, one for beginners and one for intermediates. I also put it in the link in the description. But if you're looking to go advanced and you're looking to get more cover letters, you can also get the paid product. After getting the cover letters, you need to apply to jobs. And I recommend going for low ticket jobs. That's jobs between $10 to $50 max, because you want to get a review as soon as possible. And for most of you guys, I know you are beginners, so it's very difficult for you to land those $500 jobs, $1,000 jobs. Number one, you might not be able to fulfill the task. You might not be able to deliver the job with excellence. And number two, it will be difficult for you to get the job because the people you are competing with are people that have been on Upwork for 5 years. They've made over $20,000, and it will be difficult when you've made zero. I understand. I totally understand. So number one, you want to start by applying to jobs between $10 to $50. I actually share this in my course. I'm actually giving you guys for free now, and it will be very easy to land this kind of jobs. They are low tier jobs, entry level jobs, very, very easy. After landing these jobs, you want to ask them for a review. Reviews increase your chances of landing the next job on Upwork by 50%. If I'm a client, I will barely hire a freelancer that does not have review, especially when I want to pay him $500, $1,000. Like, how can I give you $1,000 when you don't have a review, you don't have a track record? So I need you to go for those low ticket jobs. Then after asking for review, you can now go for higher ticket jobs. So peradventure, let's say you got 2 low ticket jobs. One is $20, the other one is $50 now after buying Connect. So of course you have made a little profit and you're already smiling on Upwork. The next thing you will need to do is go and apply to jobs from at least $100 and above. Don't go below $100. Let's say from $100 to $500 first. Apply to those jobs for a while and land some of them. After landing them, let's say you've landed like 10 of them and you've gotten like reviews, then you now increase it from $500 to as much as $2,000. Now I want you to imagine something. Imagine that 3 months from now you are making $1,000 to $2,000 per month from Upwork. How would your life be? How would the expenses be? How would virtually all your financial challenges, majority of them, will be sorted out? We just need to take a step of it. We just need to trust the process. You just need to invest in yourself, invest in buying Connect, invest in probably getting a program, a course, or watching a free tutorial that can help you. It's that simple. Number one, pick a high demand skill. Number two, build a portfolio by working for free. The third one is go on Upwork, optimize your profile, optimize your portfolio section, your skills tab. And then number four, apply for low ticket jobs. After applying for low ticket jobs, you now go ahead to apply for high ticket jobs. And then the fifth one, ask for reviews. After you ask for reviews, then you rinse and repeat the same process. So it's that easy. It's literally that easy. That's exactly how I made over $7,000. Okay, you can see this is Adize. She has made over $200. Azizat got our first client in 48 hours and now she's charging like $100 per client. This is light. After applying to 5 different contracts, he landed 3 jobs. You can imagine. This is Edmond. He also got clients. We have so many people that have gotten invites in 24 hours. So this process works. The fact that people are running away from Upwork should tell you that there's gold there. So you need to run to where that opportunity is. They say in every complaint lies an opportunity. So the more people are complaining about it, you should actually look. There's something there that I should check out, I should explore. If you need a job desperately, this is the surest route. This thing can literally get you a job in the next 24 hours. I have students that have gotten jobs in 24 hours. If you're a beginner, of course, that might not happen quickly, but if you are an intermediate, let's say you're a graphic designer, there's no reason why you should be charging 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira for graphics when somebody will gladly pay $50, $200 for the same graphics and you will live comfortably to be far better than what you are earning. As a web designer, UI UX designer, I see some of you guys, you are so good at your skill, but you are charging so little. It's just like you are working like an elephant and earning like an ant. It's so painful. Even as a student, I see some of my friends, they say, I'm very good at this skill, but I'm finding it difficult to earn in dollars. It's not as hard as you think. You just need to follow the step-by-step process. You just need to save. Now, if you don't have money to buy Connect, what I recommend you do is either get a job, just a small job that you can use to gather money first before you apply, or if you're earning with the skill already, save a portion and then buy Connect. That's how you start. Of course, I know when I started, Connects were free, but later on, I still bought Connect. I still bought Connect from Upwork to apply to jobs, and almost every time I did that, I still got 1 or 2 jobs. The return on investment is crazy. Imagine investing $15 to make $100 in less than 30 days or 7 days for some. In fact, agencies, what they do now is that they just pump a lot of money into Connect, get the jobs, then hire people to do it for them, and they're making crazy amount of money. You might be asking me, if this is making money, why are you not doing it? Why are you telling us? You guys know that Upwork blocked my account initially. That's why I stopped. Probably it was a blessing in disguise. Adversity is a blessing in disguise, basically. At least it will correct your head and then help you do the right thing and what you're supposed to do initially. So this is what God wants me to do. Initially, I was helping myself, but now he wants me to help others also. If I can do this as a student at just age 23, make over 10 million naira from Upwork, That's about $7,000. And then outside Upwork, cumulative, I made over $10,000 using this same process. I've gotten jobs on LinkedIn, jobs on Instagram, jobs on other places. But the best, fastest, and easiest that you can literally get fast is on Upwork. To be 100% honest with you, it's not because I want to maybe sell you a course or anything. That's just the truth. If you can just put in the work, if you can just understand how the platform works, save and buy connects, optimize your profile, and apply with the right cover letters, I promise you get jobs. And you earn in dollars and you rest. At least you have money to sort out some financial things before you start. See, if you don't have money, you'll not be able to think clearly. In fact, if ideas are coming, you will not even have them. You will not even be. Let's not even go there, Steph. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. There's something that they said that the two greatest weapons that Satan uses to have dominion or attack us is ignorance and fear. For fear is number one, fear of poverty, fear of debt, fear of criticism, fear of public speaking. So many fears. Basically, all fears are Satan's weapon. So when you start having that fear of investing in yourself, just know that you might remain where you are. I know that's very negative, but you need to take a step of faith. The opposite of fear is faith. You need to take a step of faith and invest in yourself. This is how you move to the next level. An investment in your mind will yield the greatest results. So I'm encouraging you, do this. I'm not saying this because I want to motivate you. I'm saying this because I know it will get you results. It will get you results. Learn a skill, build a portfolio, optimize your profile, apply to these jobs. You will land it, especially when you already have a skill. If you're interested in knowing how I made over $10,000 online, click on this video and I will see you there. Thank you.